Hi there. When I say that we should invest in farmers, I don't mean that we should give them directly money. I mean that we should invest in companies that are working with farmers and they have a different business model. And that business model is one that only if and when the farmers are making better livelihood, they also benefit. So this is a different business model. It is not like other companies that once they sold something to the farmer, they are happy, that's it. They don't care if the results of the farmers are extremely good, extremely poor, or somewhere in between. This is what we should do. This is the new business model that we should work with. Bye-bye.